In this tutorial I will show how to use coins on AliExpress. First of all, head over to your AliExpress app. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Right here you will get to see the option of coins. Tap on it. I have collected daily some coins here. Now scroll down and you will get to see different items where you can use the coins. Select the item you want to buy from here. As you can see, it says that extra 10% off. It means that if you have coins you'll be able to get the 10% off in this product. That is how you can use coins in AliExpress.